In this video, you're going to learn how to set up a Teespring storefront fast. If this video is helpful, consider subscribing. Let's go. Time to share your designs with the world. Log in on the top right. Create a new account on the top right. Add your name, email address, and password. Make sure that you're not a robot and sign up. Add your store name here. Select one of these drop downs and add the social media that you use the most. Press continue. If you have a store, go to the far left and press Stores. Go to Create New Storefront. I put Cast Only section here instead of Cat Only section. Let's forget that ever happened. On the far left, select the banner. You want to upload a banner that's 1600 by 200 pixels. Go up to Header. Select a color that fits your brand the best. I'm going to go with black. Go up to Upload Logo and put your logo in the center. Go down to Products, press Add Products, Create Products, go to Apparel. I like their premium tee, they're the best quality. Select a color. Fun fact, black, white, gray, and navy blue actually are the best selling colors, but it's up to you. Add your image, and in this viewport, you can select a color that will be viewed on your listing. I'm going to choose yellow. Go down here, make sure you like the profit margins, and then press continue. Now we've opened Pandora's box. There's so many products you can put your image on, but let's go with tank tops for now. Press start designing. I'm going to choose the premium tank and press done. I think I've done all that I can handle, and I'm going to press continue. Add the description and the title of your shirt or tank or hoodie or whatever you decided on, and press publish listing. 3, 2, 1, all sections green. Go back to the previous tab and select Add Listings. Go to Add Products and select all the products that you want to add. Press Add and Done, and bada bing, bada boom, fireworks. You have a store. Subscribe for more and like this video if it helped.